In this video, we're going to show you how to plan your day in Obsidian. Planning your day is one of the most effective ways to stay organized, manage your time, and ensure that important tasks receive the attention they deserve. Whether you're handling work responsibilities, studying, managing personal projects, creating content, or balancing multiple commitments, a daily plan can help you stay focused and productive. Many users choose Obsidian as their productivity hub because it combines note-taking, task management, project planning, and knowledge organization in a single workspace. This makes it easy to keep daily plans connected to larger goals and ongoing projects. However, without a structured plan, it's easy to become distracted, lose track of priorities, or spend time on low-value activities instead of meaningful work. The good news is that Obsidian provides flexible tools that make daily planning simple and highly customizable. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to plan your day in Obsidian and create a workflow that helps you stay organized and productive. So, let's get started. The first step is to create a daily note. Many users create a new daily note each morning or the night before to prepare for the upcoming day. Next, review your current projects, goals, and responsibilities. Identify the most important tasks that need to be completed. Now, create a section for your priorities. List the key tasks you want to focus on during the day. Try to identify the activities that will have the greatest impact on your goals and projects. After that, create a task list for additional responsibilities. These may include meetings, emails, administrative work, errands, or other activities that need attention. You can also assign estimated time blocks to important tasks. Scheduling specific times for focused work can help improve concentration and reduce distractions. Next, include a notes section where you can capture ideas, reminders, observations, or information that comes up throughout the day. Many users also add links to project notes, meeting notes, and reference materials, so everything remains connected. As the day progresses, update your task list and mark completed items. At the end of the day, review what was accomplished and move unfinished tasks to a future note if necessary. This simple review process helps maintain momentum and prepares you for the next day. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, create a daily note. Second, identify your most important priorities and tasks. And third, track progress throughout the day while reviewing your results afterward. Remember that effective daily planning is not about creating a perfect schedule. It's about intentionally deciding how you'll spend your time and focusing on the activities that matter most. Using Obsidian for daily planning allows you to keep tasks, projects, notes, and goals connected in one organized system. This is especially useful for students, professionals, freelancers, entrepreneurs, content creators, and anyone looking to improve productivity. Taking a few minutes each day to create a plan can help you stay focused, reduce stress, and make consistent progress toward your goals. And that's how to plan your day in Obsidian. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Obsidian. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to help you get the most out of your digital tools. If there's another Obsidian feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.